What? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. This is like my second This is like my second turtleneck in this 1 week here, and today I decided to wear it so I can cover up my allergic reaction. Sorry if you guys see some lovely bumps just like all around my face, neck, hands, and everywhere else in my body. Anywho, today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow review. This review should have been a little while ago, but I just now received the package in the mail. Today we're going to be talking about the very first Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I asked you guys on Instagram, like, if you still even cared, because I ordered this like 2 weeks ago or something like that, and I just now got it in the mail today, so there's already a ton of reviews and stuff out there about it. But I asked you guys on Instagram and 96% said do a review and 4% said it was too late, so we're just gonna go ahead and do a review today. So the palette came wrapped up not exactly like this. I have opened it. It looked much nicer when I first got it. On the inside, we have a picture of Tati with her beautiful hair and shiny skin. The palette itself came wrapped up in like many layers of this very bee-like, honeycomb-like paper, which is kind of cute. I really like bees. Don't like honey, not at all, but bees are cute, so. Also came in a little bit of plastic wrap, and then we have the outside packaging here, which is kind of that like soft matte finish, which I really like, and then Tati Beauty kind of raised in a gloss. It's also like surprisingly heavy. Like this is just kind of a standard looking cardboard outer packaging, but I don't know if they just shoved some like weights in there or something. It's very heavy. On the inside there is a massive mirror, which probably adds to the heft, and then we have the palette itself. There are 4 different what are those words called? 4 different finishes. We have a glitter, a sequins, I think is one of them, a matte, and then a metallic.
So it literally, it says it. It's, you're touching the words. It says it right there and next to the pants. Just read.
Metallics and these are the glitters. This one looks like it might have had a little bit of issue in shipping, but I'm super excited about the glitter section of this. They look really beautiful. This palette here did sell out. I think they sold like all 100,000 units, which is pretty good, especially for her very first launch. You can, however, still pre-order it on her site. I think it's $48 plus shipping in some amount. I'm not 100% sure how much. Tati. Sorry, Tati. Oh. Okay, so I have gone ahead and done my entire base of my face. I would show you guys swatches, but there are swatches literally all over the internet, and also my skin is gross and red and itchy, so we won't show my arms today. Maybe I can give you guys just like a couple of back of the hand swatches because I really want to touch this glitter. Oh. It literally says exactly what they are right next to the shades. Okay, so this is the glitter row, this is the metallic row, this is the sequin row, and this is the matte row. Oh, I gotta learn how to read. And then we also have the different like names of the sections. The pans themselves aren't like identified as a certain name. So we have Memory, which I don't possess, Ritual, Story, Soothe, Aura, and oh, Poet. I thought it said Pete. All right, so this is the Memory glitter. That's kind of amazing. I'm not gonna lie. That is a beautiful glitter. I don't know if I've ever felt like a glitter this texture before. Okay, this is a Ritual metallic. Oh, that's really pretty too. This is a Story sequin. Ooh, that's really pretty. The pigment to that is absolutely amazing, and there's like little gold flecks in it. They do kind of like fall off whenever you like go over it, but you still just get like a little bit of that gold shimmer through it. And this is Soothe in the matte. Ooh, that's a super pretty transition shade. I think I'm gonna like that quite a bit. All right, so far from the swatches, I'm very excited. They all have like crazy pigment. The glitters look beautiful. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump on into it. I need a makeup wipe. Ouchie! No, bad idea. Ow! My blisters! Okay, so I do have my entire face done, and there is some like foundation and concealer with a little bit of setting powder on my lids. I have 0% of an idea of what I want to do, but I bet you it's gonna be something with like some warm tones and glitter. They do kick up quite a bit even when you just barely tap into them. So the first one I'm going to try out is Soothe on a nice fluffy brush, and this is gonna be my transition shade. How they end up looking like 2 different colors on 2 different eyes. It's not the shadow's fault, it's just my skin. Something's wrong with it. A little more to said. Even her up a bit. I think I'm actually gonna go down here to Poet, which is like a mauvey cranberry color. Match my turtleneck. Oh, that's a lot of pigment. Okay. Alright, that I'm gonna disperse pretty lightly because it's very, very pinkish. A little more pinkish than I was gonna go today. I'm gonna tone down that pink a little bit, going back into that one shade that I can't remember what it's called. Soothe, and just bring that up a little bit more orangey. Okay, I think I'm going to deepen up the outer edge with Ritual, which is like a deep chocolatey brown. This eye is so painful for some reason. I really gotta go back to the eye doctor. I'm not quite sure what's going on with it. Why do these eyes look nothing alike? This eye's like the strong, independent 13-year-old who's just not gonna do what you tell it to do, even though it's 27 and already wrinkly. I feel like you could honestly have an eye look done with this palette in like 5 seconds if you wanted to. Just rub your fingers around in it a little bit and shove it on your eyelids and you could be done. It blends out really, really easy, and I feel like the colors are just very wearable. Do I standardly just wear brown eyeshadow every single day of my life? Yes, I do. So I feel like this palette I could just pick up, grab a brown out of it, shove it on my lids, and just be done. And if I'm feeling snazzy, of course, I could always pop on some glitter, which is what we're about to do. I feel like we should go a little bit more of like a halo eye. Oh, halo, like Halo Beauty. Tati, the other beauty brand that she has. I do want to say that there is a chance, I don't know how large of a chance, that the reaction that I had that caused me to break out everywhere was a reaction to the vitamin that I started taking from These little guys are painful little buggers. A vitamin that I did start taking from Halo Beauty.
Yeah, speaking a little too soon there. I found out that the reaction I had was not to Halo Beauty, but if you guys want to find out what all that's about, you can watch to the end of the video. I would insert that right here, but I'm afraid that information will scare people away, which I probably already am doing, so yeah, okay, back to the video. I think I'm gonna take the Soothe glitter. Oh, I don't know, they're also really pretty. I might start out with Ritual first, just kind of in the center, and then put Soothe on it to give it a bit of like an ombre effect for the glitter. Oh, that's so pretty! Oh, I really hope it stays put all day without having to use like any type of glitter glue or anything, so that's super, super pretty. All right, and then right in the center, if I can, I'm gonna put a little bit of Soothe glitter just to make it a bit brighter. Oh, it's so shiny. Getting all choked up. Ooh. I think that's so pretty. Oh, dang it, I keep hitting these stupid little blisters on my fingers. Stop it. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see these pesky little blisters all over my fingers, but they're like all over the place and they hurt so much when you bump into them. I was gonna take more Benadryl today, but I wanted to actually be able to film and not just nap on the couch all day long. Okay, so the same thing for the other eye, just Ritual first. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah. Should I do lashes? I feel like it needs lashes. I feel like Tati would do lashes. Okay, I'll do lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna do a tiny, tiny bit of mascara from the pinkest tube I've ever seen in my entire life. It's shockingly pink. Ow, stabbed. Those don't look gross at all. We're gonna use these lashes here. These are the Zola lashes in some type of style. Iris, and y'all know the drill. Some duo lash. Oh boy. Maybe go ahead and get some of the old glue off of it real quick though. Okay, it's all dried out. Ew. Does anyone know how to clean lashes, by the way? Like, how do I get all this gunky stuff off? It's a problem. I don't think I have another pair of lashes currently, so these little ickies are just about all I have. All right, lash number 1. Let's go ahead and get on up in here, boys. Okay, all right. Oh, there's candle wax on this. Stick to something. I think I put the wrong one on the wrong side. I'm not taking it off. For a person that already has a really difficult time seeing giant massive eyelashes, just don't help. And then I think I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of this glitter just right in the center of my under eye. I'm gonna use Ritual for that. All right, you guys, and this is the final look with the Tati palette. I literally can't see it at all, so I'm gonna get real close in here so we can kind of see what's going on. I think it's a really beautiful palette, and I feel like you could make just like the easiest, simple, everyday eye look with it. It's like there's levels to this palette. Like you could do a very like simple, everyday look. It would take you 5 minutes to blend out. And the next level would be like playing around with the metallics a little bit. The next level would be slapping on some glitter. And then the last level would just be submitting yourself to cruel and unusual punishment by putting on eyelashes. Hi guys, so it is 11:30 p.m. My makeup has been on for many hours, so many hours. The eyelashes are barely holding on there, all the foundation is wiping off the allergic reaction lumps on my face. But I did want to show you guys what the eyeshadow looks like after literally almost 12 hours. Alright you guys, I'm honestly really impressed. I mean, these lashes are barely hanging on there, but the glitter has really stayed put. I don't have like a ton of fallout on my face or anything. I can still see a lot of the pigment from the shadow, and I'm most impressed by the glitter. I thought it would be like all greasy and weird, but honestly, it looks really good, doesn't it? Alright you guys, so that was the first launch from Tati Beauty, the Volume 1 Tati Beauty palette. I personally really like it. These are my types of like tones and shades and colors, so I am really excited about it. Unfortunately, I might not be able to continue to use Halo Beauty, but I think Tati Beauty is something that I'm going to definitely get a lot of use out of. Hey there, past self. It's me from the future. I just wanted to pop in really quick and let you know that you're probably okay to continue taking your Halo Beauty vitamins because you never had an allergic reaction to begin with. Instead, you had ringworm. Gross. Okay guys, I just wanted to be open and honest with you really fast because I'm going to be continuing filming videos while this little issue is going on, and I'm sure you're likely going to see this on my skin. It's icky. It's also on my face, which is super cool, and like on my neck. Who gets ringworm on their neck? But I just want to be open and honest and transparent with you guys on this channel because if I can't tell you I have ringworm, then who can I tell? So originally I did think that I had an allergic reaction to Tati's vitamin. I got the one that's supposed to be for like stress and eye health and that kind of stuff because as you guys know, like I'm basically blind and stressed. And I so happened to take that vitamin, and then like the very next day I had like a little itch on my finger and my family was in town, and I showed it to my mom and I was like, hey, does this look like an allergic reaction? And by the time I brought my finger back, I had little bumps like all over me. So I thought it was an allergic reaction to the vitamin because I'd never taken it before. And there's ingredients in it that I've never even heard of, like ashwagandha. So I automatically assumed it was an allergic reaction and I was taking Benadryl and all sorts of unhelpful things. But no, pretty sure it's the ringworm. Thankfully, there are no actual worms involved in ringworm. It will go away. I have been treating it. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on in case you see this on my skin. Anywho, gigantic apology to Halo Beauty because I have been telling people just in my like everyday life, not like online or anything, that I think that's where my allergic reaction came from. So it wasn't that at all, and I apologize greatly. Very sorry I blamed you. This should be cleared up within 2 to 4 weeks according to Google. I feel like if I wear long sleeves and maybe just some like opera gloves or something, people won't be able to tell. No idea how I got it. It's not like I, you know, got it in like the gym shower or something. You have to go to the gym for that to be a possibility. So yeah, sorry about these little round creepy things on my skin. I just wanted to warn you guys about them before you saw them in upcoming videos and thought I was like bit many times by a vampire or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Ringworm. Who would have thunk? Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you would not mind, please go ahead and consider subscribing. It would mean the absolute world to me. We recently hit 300,000, which is a very unbelievable number to me. I can't believe we did it. I would not be here without you guys. And yeah, just again, thank you so very much. If you'd like to join our little community here on YouTube, it would mean the absolute world to me. I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!